Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naz Arora and I have somebody really special. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi guys, I am Mohini and I'm related to fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIYs and a lot more. And Naz is a very good friend to me and today we are shooting this collaboration. So thank you for having me, Naz.
Thank you for coming over. Okay, first of all, I would like to say one thing. This is a truth or drink challenge. This is inspired by Anam. So yeah, I saw her video. I really liked the concept and I called Mohini over and I was like, yeah, let's do it. So this is going to be fun. I'm super excited for this one. Are you guys ready? Mohini, are you ready with your question?
I am excited.
I'm
like the
scared.
questions, I am sure you'll have to have at least 1 or 2 shots. I think so.
I don't think so. You would be having shots because I think I've kept my questions very easy.
Okay.
And
it's okay, then you will have shots. You will have more shots.
I am a person who can answer anything.
Okay.
But it depends if I want the people to know about it or not.
Yeah, like in person I'm very sure she would answer all 7 for me.
Yeah.
But if I would ask her on camera, I think that she might not. अगर उसने किसी question का shot लिया भी तो I'm very sure she'll tell me later. But on camera, you know guys. Let's start with something easy. The first question is, what is the creepiest DM you have ever received?
Oh my god. I receive a lot of creepy DMs.
It's like we have
Every
like, public
influencer
accounts.
does.
Yeah. So
this is going up on my channel. Are my parents going to watch this?
I'll tell you mine so that you can also like be open. Like the weirdest I got is, ma'am, you're like very beautiful. Ma'am, you're very beautiful. I want to get married. Please accept my proposal. That is the weirdest.
Those types of I've also got, but then they're not creepy. If someone likes you, they can ask you for
for marriage. You can ask me for marriage on my Instagram.
That is not creepy. I would not say that as creepy. I feel like people text me a lot about having beautiful feet, so that's really something. And I get
Beautiful feet is like on the face or like
beautiful feet.
Feet. Oh,
like except for my face, I get a lot of DMs that I have very pretty feet.
I don't know what's up with Instagram people. Even I do get.
It's like scary, and then I feel
why
like,
do people want to see our feet?
yeah, that's really something, okay, and that really puts me off. And sometimes I want to just log out of my Instagram and take a break for a few days because I feel very creeped out when people text me such things and they talk about my body or anything.
I'll share one more thing in regard to yours. एक बार मेरे से ऐसे हुआ था, like somebody texted me for the feet pictures, and one day I posted one in like in my story. I was showing my new footwear.
Okay.
Footwear. So like it was a chappal, so like पैर तो दिख रहे थे. Then he messaged me, can I post this on my page? And then I went to his page and I saw there were like 70, 50 posts and all of them were like feet. Like what?
Yeah, people do it. That I get a lot of times. I'm just turned off by that. Okay, so let's go with my question. Best gift that you've ever received? Ever?
Best gift.
It can be anything. It can be an event organized for you. It can be a literal gift.
I think my 18th birthday was the best because like in my lifetime it was the first time, and like abhi tak bhi wo first and last year I got a surprise party from my parents. They booked a place for me. It was a rooftop and it was a surprise party for me. All my friends were invited. All my close like family friends were invited, like my mommy masi types, and everybody was there, like everybody whom I would love. And I also got my first car on my 18th birthday.
Wow,
so I
that's
got my 18th birthday. Yeah, because before 18th birthday I couldn't get my car because I didn't have the license, right?
Oh,
so
of course.
like after my 18th birthday gift was a car,
That's
and
amazing.
I got a party as well. So, yeah.
That's great. Okay, now your question.
Oh, shoot. Yes. Have you been ever embarrassed at a social gathering / a bloggers meet?
Okay.
Or bullied by a peer?
Not been bullied by a peer, but definitely I've been bullied by a couple of bloggers because they look a certain way and I look a certain way.
I don't think that's a thing to be judged on.
But that's how shallow they are, and they have been like they are personality. So I wouldn't like to name anybody because it's quite defaming.
Sure.
But then, of course,
That's really your part that you are not.
see, I'm a good person. But then I think they're very shallow as individuals, that they are calling out names to somebody just for being a certain way or looking a certain body type. I think that's really shallow on their part. And then they, on social media, they're posting about how people are discriminating based on their color and stuff. So that's really something. Like, if you are yourself going through some kind of shaming and you are doing the same, you're bullying somebody else for the same thing, I don't think you are somebody who has the right to speak about it. So yeah,
I 100% agree with you.
let me go for the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, your family's first reaction to your career as a digital creator.
Okay. So firstly, my mom and dad weren't on Instagram and I started on Instagram. Like
Okay.
YouTube came secondary.
Right.
So when I started, nobody knew about it. So my dad didn't even think he like this is
a
something
career
serious
option.
or
Yeah.
acha she's going to do it like properly or maybe professionally. Matlab, like you say that.
Right.
My mom knew that I post pictures on Instagram and I was anyway a person who loves to get pictures, like loves to get clicks. So it was like okay for her because she also never thought like अच्छा ये तो इसको serious way में कर रही है. She thought कि अच्छा she was just posting one picture a week. Now she's posting daily. That's what she's doing. But later on, like now if I speak, like it's been 2.5 years since I've been doing vlogging. So like now my parents are so supportive. Like since my masters got over, like I've been doing this full time, so they are like very supportive. My dad sends me newspaper articles about bloggers and what they're doing. Yeah. So they also like my dad made an Instagram account like 6 months back just to see me what I am doing, and he gives me feedback, like honest feedback, and he gives me like very critical feedback. Like if I'm shooting like in a place like this, he'll say कि why क्यों दिख रहा है side पे? It should be all even like that. I just realized like
Oh
just
my
to give
God,
example.
that's something,
So he
yeah.
wants like if I'm doing something, I should do it with perfection.
That's
So yeah, my family is like very supportive.
That's amazing. Yeah.
This is a little tricky one. I was quite skeptical to put this, but
Okay.
I have. So, have you ever used your beauty to get something done? Like girls usually do. Like not everybody, but some girls do.
No. I'm really high on a moral character and ethics. Like honestly, if like Mohini knows me in person, I'm sure she can vouch for it.
Yeah.
So do my parents. Like people.
Now I know.
Yeah, of course. If I was just an influencer and not her friend, she wouldn't have known that.
Yeah.
But even my family, my friends who are very, very close to me, I don't talk to a lot of people. I look like a social bird, but I'm not. So
She's a social bird in like professional terms.
yeah,
like,
but not like in personal life. Personal life is very. I talk to very limited people. Okay.
She has a very limited
Very
count
like
of
I
friends.
can count everybody in my personal life on fingers. Like that's how small I've kept my circle.
That's a really
So
good thing. Yeah.
yeah, so never have I used it because I never felt like the need to do it. I felt I was talented enough to get it through just sheer hard work, and it has been a good 3.5 years that I've been
Yeah.
working. So I feel that I've
You were one of
worked
the-
my
yeah.
way to be where I am rather than just use my own self for it.
I remember when I started, like I was thinking to start like vlogging on Instagram. You were the first like person whom I looked up to, and I
So thank you Mohini for letting me know. I feel so good about it, but somewhere I feel old also.
like
Chalo koi na.
like my friends used to tell me like when I was like I was talking to one of my friends and I was sharing that I want to start vlogging, and what the person said to me was, you want to do what Naz is doing? I was like, who Naz? And then I didn't knew you. And then I looked up to your account and you inspired me, and I saw a lot from Chandigarh. You inspired me, and I saw all the other influencers like Afris and Anagala. I love her content, and some more influencers. And then I thought, yeah, I think I can. This is like my cup of tea. I should also try this.
Of
And
course.
like you were one of the reasons. Like how I felt like कि Chandigarh में भी ये हो सकता है, because otherwise they were like just bloggers from
Yes,
not
yeah.
from Chandigarh.
I would just like to add on this. When I started, there were hardly brands in Chandigarh. Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, technically, if I look at actually, I was one of the pioneers to start in my city. I was, I think, the 4th or 5th person to start.
Yeah, I'm very sure about it.
Yeah, so I remember this thing that when I started, there were like countable people. Like that also I can count on my fingers.
So it was my question, right? Or it's your... Where were we?
Few moments later.
Next question. What are the goals that you have accomplished through your blogging sphere?
When I started out, like 15k and 1000 on YouTube was my goal, which I have accomplished. But those are like numbers.
Okay.
But otherwise as well, also like I feel I am independent enough, and like of course there's a long way to go. I'm not saying that I'm happy with what I have, because I want to do more hard work and reach like more audience and more everything. I am independent.
That's the goal.
Yeah.
Good job. Thumbs up on that.
Thank you. And
Your question. Yes. I feel like having black coffee in general. Like I'm a big coffee addict.
I can't have black coffee. My next question for Naz is, have you ever been body shamed?
If I can answer it, a million, zillion, gazillion times. Like this has happened to me since childhood. So now it's like a whole topic, a whole video needs to be made on this particular subject, that how I got over this negativity. And yeah, I'll be making it sometime soon. But yes, I have been body shamed quite a lot of times.
Any incident you would like to share?
You know, social media is a very cruel place. As much as it supports you and builds you up, the same amount of people, actually the double amount of people, try and put you down. So always remember that social media isn't just positive. We are influencers facing a lot of negativity because of how people react in general. I am personally that person. I feel I have no bloody right to talk to anybody in any bad sense and call them names or call them a certain way. So I think this way I'm a very, very good person. Like my moral ethics are so strong. My parents have given me such a good upbringing in this sense that I don't body shame or call names to anybody. Literally, I have cut people off for the same reason at times because वो बहुत ज़्यादा negativity लेके आ रहे थे मेरी life में कि मतलब ऐसे if you keep calling names and all ना negativity अपने आप आ जाती है. So
I've cut off people from my life as well, like जिनसे मुझे negative vibes आती
of course, my next question, which is one influencer you hate the most? You have to name.
I'll take a shot. This is a very tricky question. Yeah, I think you have got from Anam's video.
No, but I already had this in mind. Like I wanted to ask you the best for you, the best one also. But I felt like we were limiting the video to 7 questions per person, so I thought hate would be a nice one to get your shot.
Basically, I'll get a shot because again, like we discussed earlier, I don't like to call out.
Tell me person.
Yeah, I will. 1, 2. I can't.
नाक बंद करो और तक अंदर शॉट डाल दो. ये कॉफी शॉट से. This is the only sassiest question I've kept. Like this is one of the most sassy questions I had.
Yeah, I think you already knew that I will take a shot on this one.
That is why. I wanted you to take at least one shot. You would taste how black coffee tastes.
Yeah. Next question is, what is your highest paycheck you have ever received from a specific brand or like a collaboration?
This also you've taken from.
Yes.
I am taking a
I've
shot.
done my research. You need to tell me in person, okay? I want to know more from you.
I have taken a shot.
How are you feeling after taking the shot?
I feel I will just not sleep at night.
I think ये black coffee का shot लेने का नाज का idea इसलिए था because I think she can and I can't have. Okay.
नहीं बस मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं रात को नहीं सोऊंगी क्योंकि मैं कॉफी 6 बजे की बात पी रही हूँ. So that's the problem.
Oh. अगर मुझे भी नींद नहीं आई इस कॉफी के बाद तो I'll call you and we'll have a chit chat.
Done. Ajay, my question?
Yeah.
What is the best decision you have ever made in life? It's very easy, I guess.
Yeah, I think like for me to starting this career only was a very big decision to take, but
Okay, and you feel it's your best decision?
yeah, because I think again negli or the I don't know what I would have been like doing at this point of time in my life.
Of course.
So yeah, I had other plans like I have done fashion designing, so I wanted to start something like
Your
like a
label?
fashion, yeah, like my fashion label, like in like 5-6 years, I start my own label. But for now, I am like very happy with what I'm doing.
I should be your model.
Of course you will be. I'll be sending you all the clothes. Don't take tension.
A question.
I thought it's...
We're getting confused. What is up with us? I think we are just like, except for filming the video, we are having our own conversation.
Yeah. Have you ever been caught by parents doing something which they don't allow you?
My parents hate it when I watch like late night TV shows and all that, like all your Netflix.
No,
and
I meant something like maybe you're doing like.
See, you never
somewhere
specified. So that goes null and void. Now you're explaining it later. So I was just saying that my parents don't like the fact that I'm up late till night, like 2 or 3.
How at what time do you sleep usually?
I sleep around 1:32.
That's also too much according to me only, like not my parents, according to me.
But for my parents, they want me to sleep around at least 11:30, 12.
Yeah.
So that I
sleep around 11:30, 12. But my parents want me to sleep at 10:30, 11.
So कोई ना धीरे-धीरे हो जाएगा. मेरा भी धीरे-धीरे हो जाएगा sometime.
Yeah,
someday in life.
So my turn, right?
Yeah.
No, it was your question. I asked you.
Okay.
Like ever
My
been caught
turn?
wala?
So how many boyfriends have you had? Do you want to take this?
Why Naz? Why are you doing this to me? I think Naz को एक शॉट के बाद नींद नहीं आने वाली थी, so she's making sure कि मुझे भी रात को
तू
नींद
मुझे
आए.
कॉल करेगी ना तू? हाँ. Go, put it up your sleeve.
Naz, why are you doing this to me?
अच्छा ठीक, चलो.
मैं दोनों challenges में मेरे साथ बड़ी मारी हुई है. You should watch the pizza challenge.
Mohini,
Don't tell. Don't tell.
No.
Watch the video.
Well done, Mohini. Okay, your question.
Have you ever been stalked by a person like in real life, like not like on social media, but like somebody following you, and not just once, like एक आधी बार हम घूमने गए हैं तो somebody like followed us, like not like that, but some like a serious follow that you have to like file a complaint or something.
Not a complaint, but there was this one guy in my school who used to really like me, and we had like a common friend. Even the guy was my friend, but not very close friend of mine. But he used to like me a lot. उसने actually अपनी नस काट दी थी मेरे लिए, really. And I was in a state of shock because I was just 18 around that time. It was a bloody big deal, like very big deal. That somebody who's just your age mate, they're like cutting their.
They're taking their life to you.
Yeah, it's actually one of the most creepiest things. I feel it's not good to take your life for anybody, no matter what. Everybody in life has a hard time.
Not for me, not for Naz, not for anybody.
Not for
You should
anybody,
live
and
with yourself.
I even if it is for me, I would never promote it. Like, why do you want to take your life for somebody?
Yeah.
You cannot love the other person by force, right? Even if I'm 20, going to be 26. I've had my experiences in life. I have seen my friends, the way they've dealt with their relationships. It is not a good way to, just cut your nerves for anybody or anything else. You can love somebody, you can put in your effort, but you cannot force them to be with you. So that was really creepy. That was bad kind of stalking. Like I was not, like, I'm not a person who gets scared very easily, but I was scared for his life, not for myself, but his life. That what is he doing? I think it's pretty much justified why I was scared.
I agree with you.
So that is quite a Q&A and a detailed one, like a truth and drink.
Yeah.
So I won this one also.
Yeah, you. Yeah. Why God? Why me today?
Maybe it's just not your day. Maybe next time I'll come at your place.
Yeah, I think that might change the aura. It was very nice having a quick chat with you right here in front of everybody else.
I know, it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share, comment down below what kind of challenges or videos you would like to see next. Even if it is with Mohini, please mention her. And please share this video if you found it was fun. Also take my advices and her advices very seriously, because I think as much as I've seen my demographics, most of my audience is very young, and I think it is high time we all learn these little things in life. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick fun video. I will link all her channel links like down below, all her social media.
Don't forget to watch the pizza challenge.
Yes.
I have done with her today.
Thank you so much for watching. Much love. Mwah.